Egypt's Minister of Environment Yasmeen Fouad has expressed appreciation for China's support in helping Egypt tackle climate challenges, saying that China plays the role of a global leader in the field.
Before we hosting the presidency of the CBD COP14 and working closely with the Chinese government and Ministry of Environment on how to draw the roadmap for the biodiversity, we had an interesting support by the government of China by providing us with the equipment that focus on combating climate change. This has included solar energy panels, energy efficient bulbs, and other cooling and heating systems that would have very low impact on the greenhouse gases. This gives a push to the biodiversity agenda and to the role that China plays as a global leader in that part.
The 27th Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change is set to be held in Egypt from November 6 to 18, 2022. The minister said it's a vast opportunity for Chinese companies to come and present their latest technology, which Egypt will help bring over to the African continent.
There is a vast opportunity for the Chinese companies to come and present their latest technology, especially in area related to renewable energy, which we would like to bring over to the African continent.